Okay, good afternoon, children. Today we are going to revise all three chapters and main questions. There are 20 main questions in these three chapters. That is 3 questions, rebel and gift of chappal. We are going to revise all 20 questions. Okay, let us start. The king forgave the bearded man. What did he do to show his forgiveness? The king was happy to make peace with his enemy. He promised to send a doctor to look after him and return his property. Now let's move to the second one. Why did the king want to know answers to the 3 questions? The king thought that if he knew the right answer to his 3 questions, 3 answers, he would never fail in any work. If the rebel has a dog for a pet, what does everyone else like to have? If a rebel has a dog for a pet, the others are most likely to be cat lovers. See the fourth one. Whose chappal did Rukmani give to the music master? Rukmani gave Gopu Mama's chappal to the music master. What type of kitten was Mahendran Varma Pallava Punnai? Mahendran Varma Pallava Punnai was a fine breed of cat. Why was the king advised to go to magician? You remember this answer, children? The wise men believed that only magician could tell the proper time for doing things, so the king was advised to go to the magician. Now see the 7th one. What is the secret that Meena shares with Mridu in the backyard? Meena shares the secret of the kitten that they had found in the front of their house and have kept in their backyard. And you remember the name of that kitten? Mahendran Varma Pallava Punnai. Okay. Who does he say that kitten's ancestors are? Do you believe him? Ravi said that kitten's ancestors were the lion of Pallava kings, the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat, which has the emblem of Pallava dynasty. No, I don't believe this story. Yes, nobody believes, just imagination. So we can consider that Ravi has a good imagination. Okay. What is the rebel likely to do if others wears a uniform? The rebel will wear fantastic clothes. When does the rebel regret the absence of sun? Regret means sorry. The rebel regrets the absence of sun when everybody welcomes the rain. Give the synonyms of the word. Where is it? Regret. Synonyms means meaning. So it is sorry. Why did the king send messengers throughout his kingdom? The king sent messengers to find a person who would answer his 3 questions. Now it's just a few lines from Gift of Chappal and few questions are given here. You can see on the screen. First you have to read these lines and then you have to read these questions. What do you think Rukmani really wanted to ask? Why did she change her question? What did she think had happened? So after that Gopu Mama's chappal was missing, she really wants to know these answers. So all 3 answers are in your screen. Just see. You can see. All 3 answers are there on your screen. Okay. Right. Now let's move to next one. Who was the bearded man from 3 questions chapter? The bearded man was king's enemy. What was the beggar doing under the neem tree? The beggar was spreading his upper cloth under the neem tree. Describe the beggar. Beggar was a regular visitor to Rukmani's house for the past 1 week. The beggar showed the children large pink peeling blisters on the sole of his bare foot. Okay, important question. On getting a gift of chappal, the beggar vanished in a minute. Why was he in such a hurry to leave? See, you know the story. When he got the chappal, he just vanished. You know why he vanished? He understood, this beggar understood that these children have not taken a permission from the elders. So he just ran away. Okay. See the answer. It's on your screen. Walking towards the kitchen with Mridu and Meena, Rukmani began to laugh. What made her laugh? You know the story. She was thinking that when Gopu Mama will come back, what is he going to wear? His habit is he'll just come back. Immediately he will remove his shoes and wear his chappal. So she's thinking what he's going to wear that. Okay, at that time. Why it is not good to be rebel oneself? It is not good to be rebel oneself because the society never accept a rebel and always criticize his behavior. Now, would you like to be a rebel? If yes, why? If not, why? This up to you. You can write your own answer. You like to be cool guy, or what is your opinion? You can do this answer. But anyway, answer is on your screen. You can see. Write the opposites. Yes. Long, short, grow, cut, quietness, disturbance, sober, fantastic, lost, found. Okay, baby. Thank you so much.